Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Today I will teach you Proud Kuru, the chapter number 2. Here 4 pictures are there. Look at the pictures and talk about them. Come friends, let's play and enjoy. Actually now for this picture I think you are missing too much. Whenever you are at school you are playing with your friends together. But obviously you should share all these things. Sorry, it's all right. If anything has done mistakes, obviously you should tell sorry. Thank you for listening to me whenever I have something to say. So there, thank you. Obviously, sorry and thank you. The two magic, sorry, thank you and please. That is 3 magic words we are telling. So here, thank you. If you are grateful anything, if you are getting some things, so there also you can tell thank you. I will pick up the books for you. Here also you are helping, someone is helping his friends. So here proud, do you know what is the meaning of proud? If someone is thinking that he or she is too much having the quality and that's why she is proud and she is thinking more than this, that's why she is thinking that is not a good quality. Kuru the kangaroo is the fastest runner in the forest. So do you know where we'll get the kangaroo? We'll get kangaroo only in Australia. He wins all the races. Here's a story about kangaroo. And kangaroo can jump and run too fast. And one thing, he's having one quality that he is having one bag. There he can, or pouch in his, here in his belly, there he can keep, it can keep its baby. It's a special quality of kangaroo. He wins all the races. Here is a story of animals. So he wins all the races. He is proud and does not respect anyone in the forest. None of the other animals like him because of his pride. So if he's proud, he's thinking that he's having good quality and no other animal is like him. So he's too much proud, but nobody likes him. Kuru teases. Teases means also irritates. Popo, the penguin. And penguin, do you know? Penguin actually, this is an animal or bird you can see only in the Antarctica. That only in that icy land. And there only it can stay. But here is a story. But penguin cannot run fast. Penguin can go slowly. Penguin, the Popo the penguin is slow and often cannot even finish a race. Mosey the fox in the charge of the race. Fox is very cunning animal and here is a wise animal. So if animal wants to race each other, they tell Mosey. He tells them the track they can race on. Track means line. Like you are also running in the sports day. One day Kuru asked Popo to race with him. They go to Mosey. Mosey, like other animals, wants to teach Kuru to be humble. So 3 animals are there: Kuru the kangaroo, Mosey the foxes, and also Popo the penguin. So all the animals of the forest come to see the race. The one who reaches the finish line first will be the winner. Says Mosey. Obviously, they will go. They reach first. They will be the winner. Mosey counts 3, 2, 1, go. And the race starts. Kuru happily climbs the hill in the big leaps. Leaps means jumps. And into the lake. Once in the lake, Kuru struggles. He cannot swim very well. That's another quality. Penguin can swim, but kangaroo cannot swim properly. And also swim, but cannot swim properly and fast. On the other hand, Popo waddles. Waddles means just moving here and there like this. Waddles slowly over the hill. When she reaches the water, she jumps right in and swims to other side of the lake in no time. Kuru is still flapping his hands. Flapping means just moving. Legs and tail in the water. He knows how to swim but cannot swim as fast as Popo. At last, Kuru reaches the other bank. He's sure that Popo will make fun of him. Instead, Popo smiles and says, "Dear Kuru, we are friends." So everybody is having so many qualities, but qualities are different. Like your class also. Somebody can read first, somebody can write first, somebody can run first, somebody can recite very nicely, somebody can sing nicely, somebody can dance also very nicely. So everybody's quality is different and everyone is having good quality. And also somebody is thinking, no, I am not having quality. He is also thinking that he is not proud at all. He is having quality. That is also very good. He can speak very soft. He or she. So everybody is having very good quality. So Kuru reaches the other bank. He is sure that Popo will make fun of him. Instead, Popo smiles and says, "Dear Kuru, we are friends." Muzi adds, "Kuru, this time Popo won the race, as she is a good swimmer. You see, everybody is good at something." Kuru is no longer so proud. He hangs his head and promises to respect everyone. So here some word also you have learnt, and not only that, here one moral of the story. We can get that: respect everyone. Respect everyone. So that is the moral of the story. So here you have learned all these things. You will read the story, and so many new words also you have learnt here, like the waddles. And also here humble. Humble means very gentle. Teases. Teases means annoys or irritates. In Bengali we are telling birokto kora. And also track. Track means line. Next also we can see that lips. Lips mean jumps. Waddles. Waddles also only penguins moving we are telling waddles. Move to and fro very slowly. And here only this much. Struggles means fight. This type of only words we are getting. I think if you don't know any meaning, you can ask me. In the e-portal we are also now answering, not sometimes. So you will look at this and underline whatever you can read in your house in your leisure time. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.